Hello folks, welcome to CampkinsRV. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2015 R-Pod 179. As you can see with the R-Pod, it has a one-piece fiberglass roof that wraps all the way around, has no seams, so it's great for durability. On top there it has the TV antenna and the air conditioner, has exterior speakers, diamond plating on the front, as well as a propane tank on the front of the trailer. Underneath the front bed of the trailer, there is lots and lots of storage in there for all of your barbecue and lawn chairs and all kinds of stuff. Tinted glass windows, black tank flush for the sewer system, and then on this trailer it is of course solar ready, has that Zamzar solar power ready. Nice grab bar going into the trailer. Let's head inside and have a look. As you can see, first when we go in the door, there's some really good sized cabinets in here, quite deep as well. For storage in the R-Pod, which is great. And then as well, you've got a rear kitchen design in this trailer. So there's lots and lots of countertop space. You've got your kitchen sink there, and then you've got a nice window so you can have a nice view while you're preparing food. And again, lots of storage with drawers and cabinets. You have a convection microwave available. And then also, of course, you've got your two-way fridge. And then in the slide as well, you have this U-dinette, which has that table that goes up and down. That'll also turn into a bed. Then you've got storage over the U-dinette as well. Then we go, of course, and it has the R-Pod washroom, which has the toilet, and then the sink as well. It's a shower, and it's vented by a fantastic fan. Great little bathroom area. Has everything you need. Then you've got a nice DVD system there, which is over top of a armoire storage area, so you can put your clothes in there as well as some drawers. And then you've got your front queen bed, which is surrounded by windows, so it's nice and open and nice and bright. Of course, as with all the 2015 R-Pods, it does have full LED lighting in the trailer, which means of course that if you aren't plugged in, your battery will last a long time. And then it comes with a TV on a swing arm as well. Folks, this is the 2015 R-Pod 179. Great little trailer, weighs about 2,800 pounds, and it's available at Campkins RV Center. We are in Myrtle, Ontario, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12, north of Thixon Road. So come on out and see us. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle.